Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to control who can message you on Instagram. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to Instagram, open it, and after that, click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, you have to scroll down until you find messages and story replies. After that, go to message requests. And here, the second option, who can send you message requests. You can set it to everyone, and like that, anyone on Instagram can send you a message request. Or your followers, that means only the people who are following you can send you a message request. Or you can set it to no one, and in that case, no one can send you a message request. But of course, the people that you are following and they are following you back, you can have like a conversation with them. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.